Good morning. Today is sunny. So after I was advised to move from the Surfside Beach campground last night. So I came back and stayed overnight with my sister. So, but today it's so sunny, but it's still gonna be cold. It's only 39 degrees. But I'll try to go up north to the forest probably. Maybe it will be less windy and not near the sea where the sheriff or constables are patrolling. That way they might not ask me to or advise me to move from the campground. But anyway, going to my next adventures. Shell Oil Road here at the Houston National Forest, and it looks like there's still some snow on the ground. It's rough road. It's probably muddy road even it's raining here, but I don't know. Just have to drive slowly. The car will get muddy. There by the road.
After 1/4 mile, you have reached your destination on your right.
Here inside the forest it's a little cooler because there's a lot more trees. So we're almost there. Just have to drive slowly. So this is a dirt road. Over. Hopefully there's no rain or else it's turning to mud. We're here now.
You have reached your destination on your right.
It's on the right. Oops. There's a board there. Let's see. It says hunter camp. Don't see any hunters, but we will see. Not a good level place. There's some concrete blocks, but I don't think you can climb up here with your car or camper. It's too high. It must be a house before. It could not be a house. There's no posts. And that's the entrance. So if I park camp there, they will not see me unless they come in here. That's the road. Goes in their hunter's camp sign. There's another concrete block. Probably you can camp there. That's the entrance. You can see entrance to the camp. Dirt road, and it's cold. Maybe I should camp under the sun. Even though you will see me, maybe I camp over there. Otherwise I'll be frozen. You can camp a lot of places to camp. Schools here. Maybe here. This looks like I don't know what that is. Maybe a septic tank. Could be a septic tank if you camp right here at the end. Right here at the edge. Probably you can still see from the road. The road is over there. So you cannot climb here, this is too high. Probably have to go through there. Here it's, I think you can climb here, but you don't want to risk your tires getting punctured. There's a lot of shotgun shells or fireworks. Where I park now is under the shade. It will be good for summer. It's winter, you want some sunshine and you want some solar. This is, I think, the best place to camp, even with the sun. I'll move up there. You can see it, I can see it from the road. It's so muddy. Yeah, the road is right there, and this people comes here. It's just cold. Okay, you can see. If you can see it from the road. Road is there. You turn here. Yeah, they will. You can see part here. Okay. There's the road that came in. And get in here. Somebody shot this sign. It's whatever they did. Shotguns, rifles. You just hunt what do you want to hunt. There's a lot of some snow. Okay, it's like a good camping area. We'll see. We get in. Not hidden from everybody there, except there's no sun. But this is a good place. It's free. But it's cold. Feeling cold here. This is a signboard, and I parked there initially, so it'll be hidden, but it's shaded, so it's cold. This is winter. I need some sunshine. Maybe I should camp on this side. It's better here. Let's see. There's some sun. And it's also under the trees. Some sunshine. This looks like a flat place. So if I camp here, we're still hidden. Yeah, maybe this is a good place. Okay, time to this place. Oh, what are these things? Maybe these are... Is this where you hang your meat? You catch something? I don't know. Would be an exercise area. Maybe, but I don't know what it is. Maybe that's where you, if you catch a deer or a wild pig, you can put them here. But right now, let me move my car so it can warm up under the sun. You know it's cold because this bottle of water, looks like there's ice on top. It's frozen, a layer of ice. So it's really cold here. The wind is, there's a little breeze. And I think I don't want to park here, it's too cold. I don't know how I could. Maybe I'll drive back around and then park there. Then park over there. It's like, that's why I still like my small SUV all-wheel drive, because I'm not scared of going into these remote places, muddy roads and rough roads, because I know I have a better chance of not getting stuck than if it was just a regular car or a van. There's another place here. Goes through those trails. There's a good spot. The first spot should be better. Not here, but the other one. Okay, there's sunshine. Right next to the area, to the exit I mean. And I think I'm a little bit not too level, but should be good enough. Sunshine on top. Good. This is good. Okay, I'm at the Shell Oil Road Hunters Camp. And the problem is there's no phone signal. I like this place, it's quiet. There's warm sunshine coming in, it's cold, but there's just no phone signal, nothing. Maybe I can try restarting my phone, but I would like to camp here and stay overnight, but there's no phone signal. And it's lunchtime. I think I'll just probably eat lunch and then go to the second campsite. Otherwise, I can still stay here. It's good to stay overnight, but there's no connection to the internet, so I don't have phone signal. So hopefully after I restart this will get some signal, but I don't see any signal. I can try my cell phone booster and see if it can get any signal, but I don't think, since there's not even a 1 bar, it's not gonna boost anything. But I can try to see if I can boost the signal. Okay, let me fix something first. So I tried using my cell phone booster. There's no signal, so I think I'll just move to another campsite. Maybe there's no phone signal there too. It's still the same area here. It's just a little bit further north from here. So I think that would still be no phone signal. But there's a chance that there is. Hopefully there is. But right now I'm just eating croissant for my lunch. And then afterwards I'll eat some bars, granola bars. And then move to that one because I still have sunshine. It's only like 12:15 in the afternoon, so I think I have more time to go to the next one after I eat lunch. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye. Today I decided to move to the next campground, and I entered it here. It's about 8 miles from here, so it's not too far. 8.4 miles, and it's very close, so there's a big chance that there's no phone service there too, but we'll just take a chance. It's not too far anyway, but let's go. Saying goodbye to the Shell Oil Road Hunters Campground, and let's go back. And this road is so rough. It's muddy because
After 150 feet,
ice.
turn left, Shell Oil Road.
Shell Oil Road.
Turn left.
So it looks like I'll go back to the main road. Go the other way. There was a gas station there at that corner, so I was able to fill up my tank again from last night, from yesterday. There was no gasoline. There's a lot of gas stations near Houston. It was out of gas, but here I was able to get gas. And it looks like if you go to the farm roads or farm to market roads or all those out of the way rural roads, there's a lot of gas. Only the big cities probably got run out of gas, but anyway.